What's up? It's John with Superfly, BeSuperfly.com, and I am excited to announce Milo, our new super theme from Superfly. To get Milo, you need to be a Superfly member, so be sure to go to our website, BeSuperfly.com, and then right here towards the top is the Superflyer membership. Go ahead and click that Learn More button, and you'll see our offering for the Superflyer. You get Milo plus a ton of other items as part of your membership. So that is how you get Milo. We'll come back to that in a second. But Milo is a design that is very bold, very colorful, based off companies like Spotify, Asana, Stripe, companies like that that want to have that fun, bold, colorful stance in their brand. And so again, Milo is part of our super themes system. And so ideally, you would start a project with our Wireframe Kit, which you get as well as part of your membership. And you'll see if I go to the hero section of the Wireframe Kit, for example, here's a hero with text in the center. Here's another one, text on the left. On the right, here's a half color section, text on the right, then on the left. If I go to the hero page in Milo, we have those same sections already built out and styled up for you, ready to go. All you got to do is swap out the text images, and your designs will match the wireframe that your clients approved. So you can build your wireframe using the wireframe kit. So what we're going to do is have, wireframe.madebysuperfly.com/client name, and build that client's wireframe there on that page for their home page, let's say. And then when you go to, if you only use elements that are in the wireframe kit, when you go to build their site in Milo or one of our other super themes, it's going to be very easy because all the sections are already built for you. So yeah, so we're going to cruise through, but that's how the system works, is you build the wireframe in here. So if I go to, call to action here, let's say. So here are the wireframe call to actions, pretty basic, right? And there's a little background image there. But if I go to Milo's call to action, the same layouts, but they're styled now. So you can go from wireframe mode to a fully designed website extremely fast. Let's do one more here. Let's go to the features. There are lots of feature sections already designed. These floating boxes, ones like this. I like these a lot with the image background and the text callouts. This one's pretty sweet. I like this one a lot. Yeah, if we go to Milo's features, there you see the floating boxes. It's all styled up. That's kind of a ghost box. It's pretty sweet. But they're styled up. We're using some of the dividers, do these dividers in a unique way. So yeah, these are all ready to go. There's that 3 section that I liked a lot in the wireframe. This guy up here, I think it looks pretty cool in Milo. And yeah, so it's a still clean but bold, like I said. All right, so that's enough of the wireframe kit. You get that. But let's just go ahead and cruise through and look some of these sections already designed for you in Milo. There's another cool use of the divvy of the backgrounds. Again, just having fun with the backgrounds there. I had a lot of fun using the backgrounds and the gradients to make this. This is kind of cool. I don't know if you can see it really well, but you can use percentages in your divider heights in Divi, and so your divider can always be 100% height of the section. And this gets like a cool cross effect there. All these buttons have been pre-styled for you. I have some modules that I went through. Here's an example of that cross one. There you can kind of see. That's a divider on top of an image there. But we have lots of modules already pre-designed for you. Inline buttons. So you can have a couple buttons be by each other that just using regular button modules. Really cool toggle with image backgrounds. These are a lot of fun to use. Just a cool way, especially with like a nice, well-designed background image like this is pretty sweet. So, yep, on our tutorials page, we're going to have all kinds of tutorials on using Milo here. I'll be working on these. I think all these will be up and ready to go for you. Let's go back to some more sections here. Let's look at some of the image sections. Typical parallax, but this is some fun too. Just finding that right divider and putting it over an image really helps. Yep, so I'm really excited to see how folks use Milo. Here's just some general sections that we included. Yeah, these sections were a lot of fun to make when you have the image and then the divider going over that image there, the background. It's a lot of fun. So be sure to cruise around, check it out. But again, once you have your sections ready to go and you go to make your page, it's going to be lightning fast to just make a page and go for it. So of course we have amazing support, and yes, it's definitely made with love. So again, to get Milo, just go to our website, BeSuperfly.com, and check out our membership. So if you go to BeSuperfly.com, our membership are right there. First box, you can watch the video to see how it goes. Here are all the perks that you get with it. And down here, Milo will be included down here. But tons of great designs already down here, layouts, child themes, our Phoenix super theme, other child themes and project packs are down here. So be sure to check that out too. With that, I hope you enjoy using Milo. I can't wait to see what you create with it. And I am excited that we are another step closer in our super theme system and getting it complete and built out for you guys. Again, in the end, we're going to have 3 super themes plus the Wireframe Kit. You already saw the Wireframe Kit. This is Milo, our bold colored super theme. And then we also have Phoenix, which is kind of more of like a modern Art Deco kind of design. It was based off our popular child theme called Josephine. And so it's a little more clean, more Apple-like, to where Milo is more Spotify, Asana, fun vibes. And then our third one is going to be a classy, more classy, sophisticated kind of super theme. So we're definitely excited to bring these to you. All right, thanks for watching. And yeah, once you use a super theme with the wireframe over to the super theme and the client's happy, let us know. Love to hear about it. Love to hear how you're using. Also, after the 3 super themes are made, we're going to expand on all of them at the same time. So all the super themes will continue to have these sections, and we will add more general sections, more feature sections, more special sections to the super themes to expand them all. That way, whatever you build with the Wireframe Kit, you'll be able to back up using one of our 3 super themes. So, all right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for considering to become a member. If you already are a member, thank you so much for your membership. It allows us to bring these great products to you as part of your membership. Again, take care. Stay fly.